SecureGenie AI is the latest AI software to hit the market, and today we're going to break down 7 crucial things you need to know about it. Whether you're new to AI or a seasoned pro, this software is creating a buzz, and for good reason. Stick around because by the end of this review, you'll have all the insights to determine whether SecureGenie is right for your business or personal use. Plus, you can try it out completely free through the first link below, so you've got nothing to lose. Now, let's dive right in. The first thing you'll notice about SecureGenie AI is its powerful automation capabilities. It's designed to streamline a variety of business processes, from handling customer service inquiries to automating content creation. The software uses cutting-edge natural language processing technology, which helps it understand and respond to human inputs in an incredibly accurate and natural way. This leads us to the second point: SecureGenie AI's versatility. It isn't just for one niche or industry. Whether you're in e-commerce, marketing, customer support, or even content creation, SecureGenie adapts to your specific needs. Its ability to integrate seamlessly with multiple platforms is one of its strongest features, allowing you to automate tasks that previously took up so much of your valuable time. Third, if you're concerned about ease of use, SecureGenie makes sure even beginners can hit the ground running. The interface is clean and intuitive, with drag-and-drop functionality that simplifies the setup process. You don't need to be a tech wizard to use this software, which is a major advantage for businesses looking for quick results without the steep learning curve. Another standout feature is SecureGenie AI's customization options. Unlike some generic AI tools, SecureGenie gives you granular control over its automation workflows. You can tailor responses, actions, and triggers based on your exact requirements. Whether it's adjusting for specific customer queries or personalizing marketing campaigns, you've got full control, all with just a few clicks. Now, let's talk about speed. One of the main frustrations with AI tools is slow response times, but SecureGenie AI is built for speed. It's optimized to handle multiple tasks simultaneously without lagging, which is crucial for businesses that rely on real-time customer interactions or need quick turnarounds on content creation. This ensures you get maximum productivity without losing out on efficiency. Security is always a concern when using AI software, especially when dealing with sensitive data. SecureGenie takes this seriously, implementing robust security measures, including encryption and multi-factor authentication, to protect your information. Whether you're dealing with customer data or proprietary business insights, you can rest assured that SecureGenie has you covered. Lastly, the pricing. Many AI tools come with hidden fees or expensive plans, but SecureGenie offers transparent pricing with no surprises. Plus, they offer a free trial, which, as mentioned earlier, you can access via the first link in the description. This means you can test all of its features before committing to a paid plan, making it an accessible option for businesses of all sizes. To wrap up, SecureGenie AI stands out in a crowded market for its versatility, ease of use, customization, speed, and security. Whether you're looking to automate your customer service, streamline content creation, or optimize other business processes, this software has the tools you need to succeed. Don't forget, you can try SecureGenie for free. Just click the link below to start your trial. And as always, if you're looking for even more AI software options, check out my recommended tools in the description, tried and tested after working with thousands of AI systems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.